We'll walk you through how to turn on stolen device protection on your iPhone. Whether you're worried about theft or just want to ensure your data stays safe, this feature can be a lifesaver. Apple offers features like Find My iPhone and Activation Lock to ensure your device can't be accessed or resold if it's lost or stolen. But stolen device protection is something else. The stolen device protection feature on iPhones enhances security by adding an additional layer of protection to prevent unauthorized access or changes to critical settings if your device is lost or stolen. This feature focuses on safeguarding key actions such as disabling Find My iPhone, resetting your device, or modifying your Apple ID credentials. These protections are critical in stopping thieves from taking control of the device or accessing sensitive data. For added security, this feature includes a 1-hour delay when attempting to disable it or make significant changes to your Apple ID, even if someone gains access to your phone's passcode or biometrics. This delay provides time for the rightful owner to take action, such as marking the phone as lost or remotely wiping it using iCloud. Additionally, the system relies on biometrics like Face ID or Touch ID to confirm your identity, showcasing Apple's increased trust in these technologies to protect against unauthorized use. So, let's see how we can activate it. Unlock your iPhone and tap the Settings app. Scroll down until you reach Privacy and Security. Tap on that. Scroll down to the bottom until you reach the option called Security. Tap on Stolen Device Protection. Enable the toggle. This will enable two options: the Require Security Delay section within the iPhone's stolen device. Protection feature includes two options. Away from familiar locations. This activates the 1-hour security delay only when your iPhone detects that it is in an unfamiliar location. Familiar locations are typically places like your home or workplace, defined based on your usage patterns or locations set in your device. Always. This setting enforces the 1-hour security delay regardless of your location. It provides an additional layer of protection by ensuring that any attempts to disable stolen device protection are always delayed, giving you time to react if the device is compromised. These options are designed to add extra security by requiring both biometric authentication and a mandatory waiting period before changes to critical settings can take effect, which can deter unauthorized access even if a passcode is known. Select the one you feel more comfortable with. And there you have it, everything you need to know about enabling stolen device protection on your iPhone. By taking these steps, you can safeguard your personal data and make your device useless to thieves. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more iPhone tips and tricks. Do you have questions or suggestions for future topics? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. See you in the next video.